I'm Hannah, and this is the Blizzard Ankle Zip from Propet. Here we have a leather and nylon upper, which is Scotchgard treated for water resistance. There's also a Seal-Tex waterproof booty construction, which helps the feet stay dry during those wet conditions. Now, we do have a lovely zipper closure for an easier on and off, as well as in the inside there's a plush Thinsulate lining, which provides extra warmth, and a Vaporex heat-retaining double insole system for extra insulation. And last but not least, we have this lovely EVA and rubber outsole for shock absorption. Now when you're in a blizzard, you're gonna stay comfy and cozy with your new shoe from Propet.